Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good wherever you're watching from. Today I'm in my kitchen. I just want to carry you guys along the dinner I'm preparing for my family. So simple and easy to make, and it's very light. So I'll be making oven roast, and I will show you all the ingredients that I want to use to make this oven roast. Let's go, guys. So here are the ingredients I'm using for this oven roast. I'm using chicken, broccoli, cauliflower, corn, and I'm going to blend this together: garlic, ginger, pepper. And my son already poured this into the chicken before I knew it, so I bring it out. Sorry about the background noise. I have bouillon, which some people call mangi, and I'm going to go African way. This is Suya's pepper from Ghana. I have my salt, and this is one ingredient I really love. It has a lot of ingredients in it that I love. Here are the ingredients. You can see natural spice and herb, and it contains a lot of things in here, which I'm going to read out to you guys. Let me turmeric, you can see rosemary, nutmeg, cloves, a lot of things like that, garlic, black pepper, ginger, and etc. You guys can see, and here is a phone number. The spicy is really good. So those are the things I'm using, and I will blend this together like I said, and mix it with my chicken, then make incision on it and marinate it for probably 2 hours before we have it for dinner. So let's go, guys.
Baba, mama, brother, sister, do you know a channel where I can learn about life? Take me to a channel where I can learn about Jesus. Show me the place. This is the place. Oh, praise the day, let go. Show me the place.
You are on to Grace Adelego TV. You are on to Grace Adelego TV.
So friends, welcome back. I'm going to prepare it now. After some hours, we are back to make our dinner. So I'm adding potatoes. Let me show you. I'm adding potatoes. I'll add it like this. I'm not going to peel the back because it's really good. I'll just cut it now and add all this into the chicken.
Okay.
So I'm putting this already. So I'm just pouring this the oil. So it's already in the oven. Yeah, so our perfect oven roast is here and it's so moist, as you can see. Very, very moist. I have some juice that we're going to use this and enjoy. It's so good, guys. So I will serve my, I know I will serve the family now. It's really good to see. So moist, as you can see that. So I'll just put the juice from here. This is the juice. So this is it. Just pour the sauce this way. Just that way. And enjoy. So here is it. I'm going to enjoy now. It's so good. Try it for your family. Thank you for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Also share with your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Because we have too many, maybe we eat, some space or not. Or maybe